When a user searches on Google, the words they use are known as the search term. I'm going to search for loans. This will generate a list of results, advertiser and also organic results. These ads are triggered by keyword targets, which are entered when creating a search campaign. The relation between these keyword targets and the search that the user makes is determined by the keyword matching types that the advertiser specifies. Keywords are words or phrases used to match ads with the terms for which people are searching. The keyword match type determines how closely the keyword must match with the user's search, so that the ad can be included in the auction. This slide tries to summarize it. Keywords match ad with search terms. These are combined with keyword match types that determine how closely the keyword must match the user's search. Put together, these create the targeting for your text search ads. There are three main match types on Google: broad match, phrase match, and exact match. Broad match is less targeted, therefore will generate higher traffic and is more expensive. Exact match is more targeted, therefore cheaper, but will generate lower traffic. We'll now explain these three match types in more detail. With broad match, ads may show on searches related to your keyword, including searches not containing the keyword terms. This helps you drive more visitors to your website and makes it easier to build keyword lists. Broad match is its default match type. Here is an example of how broad match works. If your keyword is low carb diet plan, it may show for carb-free foods, low carb diets, low calorie recipes, Mediterranean diet books, or low carbohydrate dietary programs. It considers your keyword, the user's recent search activities, the contents of the landing page, and other keywords in your ad group. When entering keywords, no syntax is required. Now I'll show you what this means. This is the page where you enter the keywords for a campaign when you're creating a campaign. The symbols you put around the keyword determines the match type. This is when you're creating a campaign or when you're adding keywords to an old campaign. Broad match requires no symbols, so that would be a broad match keyword. If it's in quotation marks, that's phrase match, and if it's in square brackets, that's exact match. For negative keyword matching, you have to put the minus sign in front of the keyword. Negative broad match is just the minus sign. Minus sign plus the quotation marks is negative phrase match, and minus sign plus the square brackets is negative exact match. Phrase match enables advertisers to be included in more searches than exact match, but fewer than broad match. Ads may be shown if the keywords are included in the same order as specified. They also show for searches that include the meaning of your keyword. So here are some examples of what will and won't work for phrase match. So if the phrase match keyword is tennis shoes, your ads may show on searches for shoes for tennis, buy tennis shoes for sale, red tennis shoes, comfortable tennis sneakers. So for example, with tennis shoes is shown in the second one here, buy tennis shoes also in the third one, and the first and the fourth, it's because the phrases are identical in meaning. Your ads won't show on searches for tennis rackets and training shoes. Can you wear running shoes for tennis, because they are too different. Exact match keywords will only trigger an ad when the user searches for the precise phrase or keyword specified. This gives the most control over when your ad is served, but you will reach fewer searches than phrase match or broad match. Ads will also appear on searches with the same meaning or intent as the keyword. The syntax for exact match is square brackets. So in this example, if the keyword is shoes for men, it'll show on shoes men, men's shoe, shoes for man. It won't show for men's tennis shoes or shoes for boys because they have different meaning. A key element of creating a highly targeted campaign is choosing what not to target. Negative keywords let you prevent your ads from appearing for specific search terms and let you focus on keywords that help you deliver a better return on investment. When generating keywords, consider search terms similar to your keywords, but used to search for different products. For example, if you are selling of eyeglasses, you might want to add the negative keywords for similar but irrelevant search terms such as wine glasses or drinking glasses. Carefully choose your keywords. If you specify too many negative keywords, you will not receive much traffic. Negative keywords do not match close variants, so your ad might still be served for searches that contain close variants of your negative keywords. There are two types of negative keywords: negative broad match, negative phrase match, and negative exact match. For negative broad match, your ad will not be served if the search contains all your negative keywords, even if the terms are in a different order. Your ad may still be shown if the search term contains only some of your keywords. So in this example here, if the keyword is running shoes, your ad will not be shown if it's either running shoes or shoes running, because it's the same keywords in different order. For negative phrase match keywords, your ad will be shown if the search contains the exact keywords in the same order. The search may contain other words, but the ad will not be served provided all your keywords are searched in the same order. So for our example running shoes here, the last three contain the keywords but not necessarily in the same order, so they are not shown, whereas the other two did not contain those keywords. Finally, for negative exact match keywords, your ad will not be served if the search contains the exact keywords in the same order without additional words. Your ad may still be shown if the search includes the keyword terms with additional words.